Hello there. Well, yesterday's high pressure, which brought us lovely weather, has now slipped away, and we're very much back to autumn. It's turning rather unsettled through the day. So some places starting off quite nice and dry and fairly bright, but things are going to change by 9 o'clock this morning. We've got showery rain, which will be pushing its way eastwards across the country, and that's going to be chased by this area of rain, which is heavier still. And we could see some fairly heavy bursts into parts of North Wales, northern parts of England as well. So all of that is going to push its way northeast.